The intercepts are where the graph crosses one or both axes. So the y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis. The x-intercept is where the graph crosses the x-axis. So in the example shown, the y-intercept occurs at 0, 4, or we just say y equals 4. The x-intercept occurs where at 7, 0, so x equals 7. So on this example, where it crosses the x-axis, the horizontal axis, that would be an x-intercept. And it looks like that's going to be at the point 5, 0. Or we just say x equals 5. The y-intercept on the where it crosses the vertical axis looks to be at -3. So the y-intercept is at 0, -3. Or we just say y equals -3. The distance y in miles that a boat is from a dock on a fishing expedition after X hours is shown. Find and interpret the y-intercept, the x-intercept, and the slope of the line. So the y-intercept is at, it looks like 0.35. So keep in mind that the first number, the x, would be 0 hours, y would be miles. So 0 hours and 35 miles. That means at the beginning, they were 35 miles away at the beginning. The x deals with the number of hours, and my x-intercept is 7. So x-intercept is at 7, 0. That means after 7 hours, they had reached the dock. So basically, it took 7 hours to reach the dock. That is, it took 7 hours for the distance to be 0. As for the slope, remember, slope is rise over run. So if I started this 35, I have to go down 35 and then to the right 7. So I'd be going down 35 miles and then over 7 hours. So that comes out to be -5 miles per hour. And so what that means is that the slope is telling you that the boat is coming towards the dock at 5 miles an hour.